Hey friends, this is the Marento humidifier. As you can see, it comes with the main unit, it comes with a cleaner, it comes with a remote control. But there's all sorts of really cool features about this humidifier. We're going to talk about it today. I'm going to show you why I like this guy. Now, we live in really cold Colorado right now. You can see we still got some snow in the mountains, and all of that cold means things get really, really dry in our house. And I really like having one of these in my office and while we're sleeping so I can get the extra humidity in the air. So the Marento humidifier is a really great solution. Let's go ahead and fill this up with some water and I'll give you a quick demo of how it works. Now this whole top section, it actually comes off and this white top piece comes off and we can actually stick this underneath the sink and fill it up with some water. Okay, with our tank filled with water, we can then set it down into its base. And as you slide it in, basically there's a little mechanism down below this little guy that will push in and allow that water to flow down into the low reservoir where it can then be pushed back up through this nozzle area. So then we have the ability to kind of turn this and aim that mister directly where we want it. My desk is over this way, so we'll go ahead and just keep it like that. And then we can mist out in the right direction. Okay, from here, it's as simple as pushing the power button just once. Go ahead and click that. As you can see, the mist level is on 3. It'll switch over to our current humidity level, which is 34%. So obviously we need a lot more humidity in this room. Then check that out. We already have a really, really nice mist that's coming out into the office, really gonna help things. So what we can do if you're sleeping is come down here to this display. I'm gonna push and hold this power button for 3 seconds. And then as you can see, the digital display goes off, the light goes off, but look, we still have all that good mist coming into the office. Now, as far as mist levels go, you can see this is number 3, but we do have some options down here. This is the mist button. So I'm gonna go ahead and push this once. You can see it's on 3. Let's push it again. 2, let's push it one more time. And it goes to 1. And as you can see, that mist is really light now on that light setting. So again, 3 settings you can play with. We also have humidity level that you can set automatically. So let me go ahead and push this. Right now it's set to 40. You can see we can actually scale this up so that we can get our optimal humidity level in the specific room. Last thing we have is a timer. So if you're going to sleep and maybe you want a specific timer, you can see this is on 8 hours. Then it'll automatically shut off. But we can actually reset this from 0 all the way up to, again, that 8 hours. Now, the nice thing about this humidity setting is that this will automatically turn on and off based off of that specific setting. So there you go, friends. That is the Marento humidifier, a cool little product, should help on those dry nights, get some humidity back in your life. Definitely a thumbs up. Go check them out right here on Amazon.